Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Login 8. In this video, I will guide you on how to change username on Pinterest. So if you also want to change username on Pinterest, this video is just for you. Follow the simple steps and you'll be able to do it. So first of all, what you have to do is launch open any browser of your choice. You can see over here, I have opened Google Chrome. Now what you have to do is click on the search bar. Now type in pinterest.com, press enter. You can see over here, you'll be led to the official website of Pinterest. Make sure you're logged into your account. At the top right corner, you'll be able to see your profile icon. All you have to do is click on it. Now you can see over here, you'll be led to your profile. You can see your profile name over here. You can also see the username. You can also see your following. Right below it, you'll be able to see two options, share and edit profile. All you have to do is click on the option edit profile. Now from here, you'll be able to edit your profile. You can see several informations over here. You can edit all the informations. Now scroll down. At last, you'll be able to see the option for username. All you have to do is click on it. Now it is the initial username. Now enter the new username that you want to use. After that, click on the save option that you can see right over here. You can see over here your profile has been saved. Let's go back. Now you can see over here your username will be changed. So that is how you change username on Pinterest. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel.